Assalamu alaikum. Hello, dear student. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Allah with your family members. Today, I want to teach you on transformation. Part 1. I am Akbar Ali Khan, Assistant Teacher English, Shabar Cantonment Board, Girls High School. Sentences are classified into two types. A. According to meaning and according to structure. According to structure, sentences are of three kinds: simple, complex, compound. Examples: simple sentence, we eat to live. Complex sentence, we eat so that we may live. Compound sentence, we eat and we live. I have given a chart here. If we remember this chart, we can easily transform these sentences. Number 1, since or as. Complex. This row is complex and this row is compound and this row is simple. Number 1, since or as, compound and so simple because of for. 2, so that and 2 plus verb. Number 3, so that and 2 verb, 2 plus verb. Number 4, though or although, but, in spite or slash despite. Number 5, e plus positive and by plus gerund. Examples: as he was tired, he took rest. This sentence is complex, but this one is compound. He was tired and so he took rest. Simple, because of being tired, he took rest. B. Example B. Since the weather was rough, they cancelled the program. Compound. The weather was rough and so they cancelled the program. Simple. Simple. As they played well, they won the match. Compound. They played well and so they won the match. Examples with so that. A. He works hard so that he may succeed in life. Compound. He works hard and he succeeds in life. Simple. He works hard to succeed in life. Example B. She went to book fair so that she might buy some books. Compound. She went to book fair and she bought some books. Simple. She went to book fair to buy some books. Next example, they collected money so that they might distribute, we need not add D here, I have mistaken. They collected money and distributed to the poor. Simple, they collected money to distribute to the poor. Example with so that. A, the baby is so small that it cannot talk. D, compound, the baby is very small and so it cannot talk. Simple, the baby is too small to talk. B, example B, the man is so weak that he cannot stand. Compound, the man is very weak and so he cannot stand. Simple, the man is too weak to stand. Example C, the tea was so hot that I could not take it. Compound sentence, the tea was very hot and so I could not take it. Simple, the tea was very hot for me to take it. Examples with though or although. Example A, though he studies more, he cannot make a good result. Compound, she studies more but she cannot make a good result. Simple, in spite of studies more, she cannot make a good result. Example B, though it was raining, we went to school. Its compound is it was raining but we went to school. Simple, in spite of raining, we went to school. Example C, though I called her, she did not respond. Its compound is I called her but she did not respond. Simple, in spite of my calling her, she did not respond. Examples with E plus positive. If we take balanced diet, we will keep fit. Its compound is we take balanced diet and we keep fit. Its symbol is by taking balanced diet, we can keep fit. Next example, if you take exercise regularly, you can keep fit. Compound, take exercise regularly and keep fit. Simple, by taking exercise regularly, you can keep fit. Example C, if you study diligently, you will make a good result. Compound, study diligently and make a good result. Simple, by studying diligently, you will make a good result. I am giving you some homework. Transformation of Dhaka board and Rajshahi board of 20. Earlier, I have uploaded 2 classes, but this class was not so good. My voice and handwriting was clumsy, so I am sorry. I hope you will study more and more for good result. Goodbye student. Keep healthy and stout. Thank you very much.